This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. In Meghalaya, curfew has been imposed in Shillong city and its suburb, and mobile internet has been suspended following the death of a Khasi Students Union activist in a clash at Ichamati village in East Khasi Hills district bordering Bangladesh yesterday. The curfew was imposed from 10 last night to 8 a.m. today, anticipating deterioration of law and order in Shillong agglomeration and adjoining areas. As per the information received after the meeting of anti-CAA and pro-ILP groups ended at Ichamati and people were dispersing, miscreants came in large numbers and attacked the KSU members. One of the KSU activists succumbed to injuries. The state government informed that an inquiry has been instituted and different companies of CAPF have been deployed. Home Minister Lakshman Rumboy said that the government is taking all measures to contain the violence and restore law and order. Mobile internet has been suspended in 6 districts: East Jaintia Hills, West Jaintia Hills, East Khasi Hills, Ribhoi, West Khasi Hills and Southwest Khasi Hills. Arunachal Pradesh Governor Dr. B D Mishra yesterday said that police personnel should be properly trained, empowered and motivated to ensure a safe and peaceful state. During a meeting with Home Minister Bamang Felix at Raj Bhavan in Itanagar, the governor said posting of police personnel within their home police stations should be a rare situation and not a matter of routine or rotation. They also discussed the law and order, restructuring of police force, interstate and other security-related matters. The governor advised the Home Minister to also take immediate measures to strengthen the police intelligence network. Voting in the by-election to Langrin District Council constituency of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council recorded a turnout of 81.9%. Out of 29,367 electors, 24,060 cast their votes. Southwest Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner Isa Wanda Lalu informed that the election passed off smoothly without any untoward incident. The by-poll was necessitated following the death of sitting member from Langrin, Nasar Marwin. Candidates in the fray in the by-election include Ranikor MLA and UDP candidate Pius Marwin, NPP candidate Kitborlang Nongrem and Congress candidate Jotin Kardosau. Preparations are on for counting of votes on March 3rd. Mizoram is set to get its third flight with low-cost carrier IndiGo starting our service on the Guwahati-Aizawl Agartala sector from the Lengpui airport today. Principal Consultant for Civil Aviation, Wing Commander L. Lalming Liana said that Chief Minister Mizoram Thanga will flag off the IndiGo flight at 12:30 p.m. Several officials of the state government and those of the budget carrier will be present at the airport. The airline is also planning to introduce an Airbus A320 on the Aizawl Delhi sector soon. Mizoram is yet to have a direct air link with Delhi following the withdrawal of services by Jet Airways in February 2019. Presently, the state is served by Air India, which operates on Aizawl-Kolkata-Imphal route, and Go Air that runs on service on the Aizawl-Calcutta-Guwahati sector. The Meghalaya government has seized 250 bottles of a particular brand of cough syrup containing a poisonous compound that allegedly caused death to 9 children in Jammu. Meghalaya Health Minister A.L. Heg yesterday said that doctors were asked to ensure that the particular drug containing ethylene glycol is not prescribed to any patient. A Himachal Pradesh-based pharmaceutical company has supplied the cough syrup to Meghalaya and several other states. Recently, 9 children have died after taking the medicine in Jammu, officials said. In Manipur, a regional SARAS Fair 2020 started in Imphal yesterday, organized by the Rural Development and Panchayati Raj under the National Rural Livelihoods Mission. Inaugurated by Manipur Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, the fair will continue till March 8th. Mr. Biswajit said that the fair will be held twice a year from this year. He said that the National Rural Livelihoods Mission is being implemented in some blocks of Thengnopal and Imphal East. Under the mission, trainings have been provided to many women and help them from self-help groups and village-level federations. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.